Good day everyone! So for today's video, i-review natin tong application si Cash Day Earn Money Daily. So for this application, meron na rin siyang 2K reviews and meron na rin siyang 3 plus ratings and meron na rin siyang 1 million downloads. So as you can see, updated to siya sa February 21, 2026 this application. So ayan, makikita natin dyan. And basahin nyo na lang po. And so ayan, nakikita natin dito available siya. So na-release yung application na to November 23, 2023. So dito makikita natin. So ayan, basahin nyo lang yan siya. And for that, so let's proceed about this application. So as you can see, this application, pwede tayo makapag-withdraw via PayPal only. Alright, so dito pwede tayo makapag-earn ng $3, $5, $7, and $10. And then fast payout daw po siya dito. Ayan. And pwede din tayong kumita dito via invite friends. But don't worry, even though wala tayong may invite dito, is pwede pa rin tayong kumita sa application na ito. Alright, so now let's proceed. Meron siya, so mababasa natin dito yung mga good feedback sa application na ito. So as you can see, meron naman tayong nababasa dito ng mga good reviews about this application. So since na-download ko na to siya, now i-open na lang natin yung application na to. After natin siya ma-open, ito yung data collection consent niya. So basahin nyo na lang po yan. And then after that, kung naintindihan nyo yung mga privacy and policy about this application, so i-accept nyo na lang. And you have a two choices about accept and reject. So Cash Day, ayan makikita natin dito. Kung meron kayong invitation code number, so pwede nyo i-enter dito para kayo ay makapag-earn ng coins. So, wala man akong invitation code dito. So, magsa-start na lang tayo. Okay? After natin to start, meron tayo ditong, so meron tayong 400 coins cashback. Ayan. Cashback bonus. So, ayan, meron na tayong nakuha dyan na 400. Alright? So, for now, dito, ayan, ito yung makikita nating invite friends and earn up to 30% their coins. And then, kapag nakapag-invite tayo dito, meron tayong 15% na makukuha. And kapag yung friend natin ay nakapag-invite, meron tayong 10% na makukuha. And yung invite ng in-invite natin, so magkakakuha din tayo doon ng 5%. Alright, so invite more friends to earn more money. Doesn't matter kung may invite kayo dito or wala, magkakaroon pa rin kayo, magkaka-payout pa rin kayo dito sa application na ito. So, let's start. After that, so makikita nyo dito, wala pa akong payout history. So, ayan dito. Ang minimum withdrawal dito is $0.02, which is kailangan natin mag-ipon ng 600 coins. And $0.10, which is 2,500 coins. And 0.50, 12,000 until yung minimum is 0.02 and the maximum tayo dito makapag-payout is 160,000 coins nang kailangan nating ipunin para makapag-withdraw tayo ng $10. So dito, punta tayo dito, paano ba tayo makapag-withdraw o makapag-earn? So click natin tong earn money. And then after that, so i-allow nyo lang yung notification if you wanted. But if you don't want, so click don't allow. So as usual, i-allow ko siya. And find a game, ayan. So pwede kayong mag-agree and continue or skip. So ayan, agree and continue. And then want to play and earn. So allow tracking. And for that, so kailangan natin to siyang i-on. And let's go back. Ayan. So ayan, let's go back doon sa ating application and ayan, not now. So for this, para tayo ay makapag-earn for this application, kailangan natin dito mag-download ng mga application to earn money. Ayan, so dito mamili lang kayo kung ano yung apps na feeling nyo madali nyong laruin. Ayan, per task dito. So ayan, play now and i-click and i-download na lang natin. So kailangan nating i-download yung application na ito para tayo ay makapag-earn. Alright, na-download na natin yung application. So i-click na lang natin yung play para tayo ay makapag-proceed. So which is, kailangan nating laruin itong application na ito para makapag-earn tayo ng coins at para tayo ay maka-withdraw sa application na ito. So this time, meron siya dito, kailangan nyo lang to siyang sagutan.